Yeah, I'm here picking wild fruit. Domesticated golden plums. And there's lots. No, I'm okay. Thanks. Just doing a video. Oh. There we go. Look at that, eh? Isn't that nice? There's a lot of them here. Tons and tons of plums. All the way through here, see? Yeah. And there's apples too, you know. This is, here we go. Here's some apples here. Look at that, see? Lots of apples. Yeah. And this is my 5th box I've picked so far. And yeah, it's a lot of fun. I'll be dropping these off in my village and some to the food bank. I'll give some to the neighbors. Yeah. They're all along here. Look at them all. There's tons and tons of plums here. And apples and pears. Lots of pears this year. And this is untended. That's a one there. It's a little bit funky on it. Look at these beauties, hey? Golden plums. There's a couple of real super ripers. Look, they're soft. But I've been eating way too many. And here we go. All along here we've got plums. Lots of plums. This is some kind of plum right here. We can try this. This is a new plum. It's soft too. Wow. Oh, it's delicious. Really sweet. Wonderful. Delicious plums. There's a bunch of apples. People camping here. Definitely got it. Look at these plums. Place is just loaded, eh? That's all along here. The ones on the outside, they're ripe. Ones on the inside aren't. But I can only take so many. Wild plum picking. Take care, folks.